Top 5 DIY hacks. Ready to unleash your inner DIY genius? Number 5. Mason jar soap dispenser. Functional and stylish. Transform your ordinary jar into a trendy accessory. Number 4. Cable organization with binder clips. Say goodbye to tangles. Tidy up your cords like a pro with this clever hack. Number 3. T-shirt tote bags. Repurpose with style. Turn your beloved tees into eco-friendly fashion statements. Number 2. Wine cork keychains. Sip, craft, and accessorize. Give your keys a unique touch with repurposed wine corks. And the number 1 DIY hack is shoebox charging station. Organize and power up. Transform your shoebox into a convenient tech hub. Like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration.